We're continuing with our review of the Year 13 applied test. This question is question 3, looking at histograms. We're asked to find the probability that a person at random takes longer than 18 minutes from the information above. What we'd need to do here is simply calculate the total of the area and work out what area is above 18 minutes. Now the reason that that's going to work is because the area is proportional to the frequency. So I'm going to go ahead and work out the areas of each bar by using the formula for a rectangle. First rectangle is 5 by 2, which is 10. Excuse me, just change the color, 10. Second rectangle is 4 by 4, which is 16. The next one is 4 by 6, which is 24. Then we've got 7 by 5. 7 is the width, 5 is the height. 7 times 5, 35. And the last one is 15 wide by 1 high, so that gets me 15. If I add those, the sum of that comes to 100. Now, what fraction was above 18 minutes? Well, this was 35 and this was 15, so that's 50 out of 100, which is a half. The probability that they take longer than 18 minutes is equal to a half. Okay, estimate the probability that a person chosen at random in the group takes less than 30 minutes. Okay, so we want them to have taken less than 30 minutes. That puts the cutoff here. How many people took more than 30 minutes? That's 10 times 1, that's 10 people took more than 30 minutes. So 90 took less than 30 minutes. So our probability is 90 out of 100, which is 9 out of 10. Writing that out properly, I should say that the probability that the time is greater than, less than 30, probability that the time is less than 30 equals 9 out of 10. Obviously the workings, you should just demonstrate that you've understood how you've established that. I did 1 minus a tenth. That's 10 out of 10. 10 out of 100 is a tenth. Okay, finished. That was an easy one, 7 marks.